Hello everyone, welcome to this week's TAL update. I'm Dr. Joe Pojman, the Executive Director of Texas Alliance for Life. We hope you and your family are having a wonderful summer. The nation's most powerful pro-abortion legal advocacy organization, the New York-based Center for Reproductive Rights, has launched a major attack against the Texas Human Life Protection Act, our law that completely protects unborn babies from abortion and other pro-life regulations. Last month, that organization was in state district court here in Austin with a lawsuit challenging our laws. They claim that the laws are vague and that doctors cannot understand the life of the mother exception. As a result, they argue, women have been delayed life-saving treatment to the point that they have nearly lost their lives. The case is called Zurawski v. Texas. Some of my team and I listened to 2 days of testimony. The Center for Reproductive Rights brought 8 attorneys from New York. They represent 13 women who suffered pregnancy complications and 2 OBGYNs. One of those OBGYNs, Dr. Damla Carson, a Planned Parenthood abortion doctor, testified the law's vagueness prevents doctors from promptly treating women with life-threatening conditions. Yet she testified under oath that she had not read the Texas abortion laws. She has never read any guidance about the laws from a medical organization like American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists. And she has never consulted with anyone about the law at any of the Houston hospitals where she practices. We found her testimony to be completely unconvincing. However, some of the testimony was from women who had difficult, life-threatening pregnancies in which they had lost their babies and almost lost their lives. That was heartbreaking to hear. No one should have to go through what they went through, and we extend our deepest sympathies to them. The Texas Attorney General's office is defending the laws. Their attorneys did a very good job, and they had one sensational expert witness, Dr. Ingrid Skop, an OBGYN who is the Vice President of Medical Affairs at the Charlotte Lozier Institute. According to Dr. Skop, there is no reason for any woman's life to be at risk because of Texas abortion laws. The law is very clear. Doctors can perform procedures to save the woman's life, even if that means the baby will not survive. Those procedures can be performed promptly without waiting until the woman's death is imminent. Here is Dr. Skop in a video we released several months ago.
Many of us have heard claims from the news media, from political candidates, and even medical professionals that pregnant women with pregnancy complications or life-threatening risk from serious medical conditions cannot receive the treatments they need to protect their physical health or even their very lives because of the pro-life laws in Texas. I want you to know these claims are completely false. The law allows doctors to use their reasonable medical judgment to determine when intervention is necessary in a pregnancy. There is no reason a doctor like myself cannot treat pregnant women who experience a miscarriage or have life-threatening conditions like ectopic pregnancy, premature rupture of membranes, hypertensive emergencies, cancer, or a host of other conditions that can put a mother's life in danger.
In her testimony, Dr. Skop was emphatic that the exception in Texas abortion laws are written so that doctors can easily understand it and treat the patients promptly within the standard of care. You'll want to watch Dr. Skop's entire video, and we placed a link in the text below. The judge promised a decision in a few weeks. That's all for now. See you next time.